Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Balaji Chandrasekharan. Today I will be explaining all the Steam API changes included in the new releases of JDK after Java 8. After the release of Java 8 and the increasing popularity of using Steam API between Java developers, we are waiting for new features, for example, new higher order functions in Steam API in the next versions of JDK. As we already know, in Java streams, we will have the stream creation, intermediate operations, and terminal operations. Please go through my other sessions if you want to learn or refresh again the Steam API concepts. As part of the Steam API creation, there is a new method, OfNullable method is added in Java 9, which helps to handle the null values in streams to create an empty stream if the input element is null or will give a sequential stream containing the given input element. As part of the Java Stream API intermediate operations, the following methods were included in the new Java releases. The TakeWhile, DropWhile, and a new version of Iterate method were included as Stream intermediate operations as part of the Java 9 features. The MapMulti to int, MapMulti to long, and MapMulti to double methods were included as Stream intermediate operations as part of the Java 16 feature. As part of the Steam API terminal operation, a new method ToList is included as part of the new Java 16 release, which eradicates the use of the collect method in case if we want to return the Steam element as a list. I will discuss the details of each functionality with some short examples. The OfNullable method was introduced in Java 9 as part of the Steam interface. It allows us to create a stream with one element if the provided value is non-null or an empty stream if the value is null. In the first example, I use the OfNullable method to create a stream with one element Java as the value is not null. In the second example, I use the OfNullable method to create an empty stream as the input value is null. This method is useful when we want to avoid dealing with null values and instead handle them gracefully by converting them into empty streams. The TakeWhile method is a new feature introduced in Java 9 for the Stream API. It allows us to create a new stream that contains the elements from the original stream until a specified condition is met. Once the condition becomes false, the stream stops processing and no more elements are included. In this example, we create a stream of integers from 1 to 10 using the stream.off method. We use the TakeWhile method to create a new stream named takenStream, which contains the elements from the original stream until the value is less than 5. Finally, the takenStream object contains the elements from 1 to 4. The elements from 5 will be ignored by the operation. The TakeWhile method is useful when we want to process the elements of a stream until a certain condition is met and stop processing once the condition is no more satisfied. The DropWhile method is another new feature introduced in Java 9 for the Stream API. It allows us to create a new stream that excludes the elements from the original stream until a specified condition is met. Once the condition becomes false for an element, all the elements are included in the new stream. It is opposite to the TakeWhile operation. In the given example, we create a stream of integers from 1 to 10 using the stream.off method. We use the DropWhile method to create a new stream named DropToStream that excludes the elements from the original stream until the value is less than 5. Finally, the DropToStream object contains the elements from 5 to 10. The elements before 5 will be excluded by this operation. The DropWhile method is useful when we want to exclude the elements from a stream until a certain condition is met and include all the remaining elements once that condition is no longer satisfied. In Java 9, the iterate method in the Stream interface has been enhanced to provide a more flexible way of iterating over the elements. The new overloaded version of the iterate method allows us to specify both an initial seed and a predicate that determines when to stop iterating. In the given example, we call the iterate method with three arguments: the initial seed, that is 1, a predicate n less than or equal to 100 that specifies when to stop iterating, and a function n star 2 that defines the transformation applied to each element. The stream starts with the initial seed of 1 and the function doubles each element in the stream. The iteration stops when the predicate n less than or equal to 100 becomes false for the next element. The method iterate is equal to the implementation done using the for loop statement. This enhanced version of iterate provides a more concise and expressive way to create streams with a predefined iteration logic and termination condition. The MapMulti method was introduced in Java 16 as part of the Stream API. It allows us to apply a mapping function that can produce multiple output elements for each input element. This is useful when we need to transform each input element into a multiple output elements based on some condition. The MapMulti to int, the MapMulti to long, and MapMulti to double methods are similar to the MapMulti method but are specialized for streams of primitive types, allowing you to perform complex transformations while preserving the primitive type of the elements. In the given example, we have a stream containing three integer values. The MapMulti method takes a by consumer as its argument. This by consumer accepts two parameters, the input element, in this case an integer, and a downstream consumer. Within the by consumer, we iterate over each digit of the input number using a while loop. For each digit, we use the downstream consumer to emit it to the output stream. This results in each input number is transformed into its individual digits using the MapMulti method. This is just one example of how you can use MapMulti to perform complex transformations on streams. In Java, the ToList method in the stream class is a terminal operation that collects the elements of the stream into a list. It is a terminal operation in the stream interface that collects the elements of the stream into an unmodifiable list. In the given example, we have a stream of integers created using stream.off method. We call the ToList method on the stream to collect its elements into a list. The elements are accumulated into a new unmodifiable list. Thus, the ToList method in Java 16 providing a convenient way to collect the stream elements into a list. With that, we came to the end of this session. Share your knowledge and your code snippets written using Java streams with everyone, which helps everyone to interchange our knowledge. Happy coding. Hope you enjoyed watching my video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching my video.